My name is Safa Iman, class 10C from Dasgah Islami Inter College, Mughalpura, Faizabad, Ayodhya. I am going to describe the structure and function of human heart. Heart is a pumping organ. It is made up of cardiac muscles. It has 4 chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Right atrium is not connected with left atrium, and similarly right ventricle is not connected with left ventricle. The aperture between right atrium and right ventricles is having a valve that open in one direction only, that is called tricuspid valve. The aperture between right atrium and left atrium is also having a valve that is called bicuspid valve. Now I am going to describe the function of human heart. Impure deoxygenated blood from different part of a body is returned to the right atrium by 2 veins. Superior vena cava brings impure blood from anterior part of a body, and inferior vena cava from exterior part of a body. From right atrium, impure blood goes to the right ventricle through right atrioventricular aperture. When right ventricle contracts, the blood is forced to the lungs. When it exchanges the gases, CO2 is released and oxygen is received, and blood becomes pure. Pure oxygenated blood is taken to the left atrium through pulmonary veins. From where left atrium, the impure blood goes to left ventricle. The wall of left ventricle is 3 or 4 times thicker than the wall of right ventricle. When left ventricle contracts, the blood is sent out the arteries that carries it to different part of a body, from where it is collected by veins through superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. This process to be continued. The state of rest, pumping rate of human heart is about 70 times a minute. During exercise and excitement, the pumping rate of human heart is 150 times a minute. Thank you.